Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. You want to speak English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called I Went to Sydney. It follows a first-time trip to Sydney, Circular Quay, the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge, ferries, beaches, and a quiet sunset by the water. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. The decision.
My name is Ava. I live in a quiet town by the hills. I love the sea and city walks. One morning, I booked a ticket to Sydney. I open my notebook and make a plan. Opera House, Harbour Bridge, ferries. I check my passport and pack light. I go to sleep with a happy mind.
Landing in Sydney.
The plane lands after sunrise. Soft light touches the runway. I follow the signs to immigration. Passport and arrival card, please. The officer says, stamp. A new page is marked. I collect my bag at Carousel 5. I follow the sign to the train. I buy an Opal card and add credit.
First ride to the city.
The airport line train arrives quickly. I sit by the window and watch the suburbs pass, green parks, red roofs, tall buildings ahead. I check the map above the door. Next stop, Circular Quay. My heart beats a little faster. The harbor appears like a wide mirror. I step off the train and breathe the salt air.
First view of the icons.
I walk out to the open quay. Boats pull in and out like clockwork. The Opera House shines white in the sun. The Harbour Bridge looks strong and calm. I stand still for a full minute. I take one careful photo for my memory. I whisper, I am really here. The day feels open and kind. The rocks and a coffee. I walk toward the rocks. Old stone lanes curve between brick buildings. A small cafe smells like fresh bread, flat white. Please, I say. The barista smiles and nods. I sit by the window and watch the street. I circle Museum of Contemporary Art on my map. I finish my coffee and step back into the sun.
Opera House steps.
I follow the path along the water. The Opera House grows larger with every step. White tiles glow like shells in light. I climb the wide steps slowly. Tourists laugh and take pictures. A guide offers a short tour inside. I join the group and listen quietly. Stories fill the hall like soft music.
The Royal Botanic Garden.
I leave the tour and turn left to the garden. Trees give shade and calm the air. I read a sign about native plants. A white ibis walks across the grass. I sit on a bench and rest my feet. The harbor shines through the leaves. I write one line in my notebook, breathe, then I walk on, with steady steps.
Ferry to Manly.
Back at Circular Quay, I check the timetable. The next Manly ferry departs in 10 minutes. I tap my Opal card and board the boat. Seats fill with families and friends. We leave the quay and cross the blue water. Waves tap the bow like a quiet drum. The bridge stands behind us like a gate. The heads of the harbor open to the sea.
A walk on Manly Beach.
We dock at Manly Wharf. Shops line the short walk to the beach. Soft sand warms my feet. Surfers wait for clean waves. I buy water at a small kiosk. I sit on the seawall and watch the break. The air tastes like salt and sunlight. I set a timer and rest for 15 minutes.
Back to the city.
The return ferry feels brighter and louder. Children point at a passing sailboat. A guide explains the harbor islands. I listen to 3 facts and smile. The skyline rises as we approach the quay. I thank the crew with a simple nod. I tap off and check the time. Afternoon opens like a friendly map.
Bridge climb or bridge walk?
I decide to walk across the bridge. I follow the signs to the pedestrian path. A light wind meets my face. Cars hum by like soft thunder. The view grows wider with each step. Opera house, ferries, and tall glass towers. I take a single photo in the middle. I keep my phone safely in my bag.
The observatory hill pause.
On the north side, I find Observatory Hill, grass, shade, and a view of the city. Couples share snacks under a tree. A jogger stops to stretch and catch their breath. I sit and drink water slowly. I circle Darling Harbour as my next stop. I check the route on my map app. I stand and start back toward the city.
Darling Harbour and lunch.
I reach Darling Harbour near midday. Water sparkles around small bridges. Restaurants offer a variety of dishes, including fish, noodles, and salads. I ordered grilled fish and lemon water. I find a seat near the railing. Boats pass and leave soft ripples. I sent a photo to my mother. She replies, "So beautiful, enjoy."
Sea life or maritime?
I chose the Maritime Museum. Old ships rest by the dock. Inside, a volunteer tells a story, storms, sailors, maps, and distant ports. I learned new words and noted them down. I thank him for the lesson. I step back into the bright afternoon. I plan a short break at the Queen Victoria Building.
Queen Victoria Building.
I walk up through the city streets. The Queen Victoria Building looks elegant and tall inside. Stained glass colors the light. Clocks hang above the long hall. I sit on a bench near a bakery. I chose a small tart and tea. I rest my legs and read my notes. I added one line, ask, confirm, smile.
To Bondi Beach.
I take a bus to Bondi. The road curves past houses and shops. The beach appears like a wide blue bowl. Boards line the rail in neat rows. Where is the coastal walk? I ask a local. Start at the south end, she says kindly. Follow the signs to Quay. I thank her and tie my shoelaces tight.
Bondi to Tamarama.
The path hugs the cliff above the sea. Waves crash white against dark rock. I stop at a lookout and breathe deeply. A swimmer cuts clean lines in a sea pool. I read a safety sign and nod. I keep a careful pace on the steps. I reach Tamarama and sit on the grass. I drink water and watch the light change.
Sunset at Circular Quay.
I return to the city before sunset. Circular Quay glows with gold on the water. Musicians play soft guitar near the steps. I sit where I can see the opera house and the bridge. The sky turns pink, then orange, then blue. I write 3 words, light, water, calm. A ferry horn sounds across the bay. I feel grateful for this day.
Night walk and hotel.
I walk slowly back toward my hotel. Streetlights paint warm circles on the path. I bought a bottle of water at a corner shop. Thanks, I say. Have a good night. The clerk smiles and nods once. In my room, I wash my face and rest. I'll check tomorrow's plan. Taronga Zoo or art gallery, I said. my alarm and close my eyes.
Notes before sleep.
I open my notebook one last time. I write a short review of the day, ask directions when unsure. Confirm the platform and the stop, carry water, and take short breaks. Keep your phone and card safe. Watch the harbor at sunset if you can. I turn off the light and sleep with a calm heart.
Great job! You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. I went to Sydney reminds us that travel is more than places. It is clear water, helpful words, and quiet moments that stay in your heart. Simple English can guide you onto trains, ferries, beaches, and bridges. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story, one step your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.